Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to release a payment on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Upwork and have started to work with a contractor. How do you actually release a payment to them? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you're going to do is that you're going to go into the chat message with the contractor who you're working with. Now, once they've submitted work, the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click on this View Details button, or you can click on View Contract. Now, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see your milestone timeline. Once you see your milestone timeline, you should see a button that says Release Payment under the current milestone that is currently activated and funded. So if you're ready to pay your contractor and they've already delivered you the work, you can just click on Release Payment here and then follow the on-screen prompts to release the payment to this contractor. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and release a payment on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.